Thank you, Lizzie. Maxi ovulation. Thank you, Lizzie. Oh, come on. Thank you, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Kissy, kiss, kiss. Hey? Oh, you kind of want to check it out, yeah? Beaconators. Oh, it's a little popsicles down here. Hello, Lizzie. Thank you. Climbing a ball. Yeah. How are you doing down the front here, hey? You got a sneaky pat? No, no sneaky pats. Mm. Thank you, Lizzie. Oh, what was that about, hey? What's that look about? Thank you, Lizzie. What's that look? Hey? Come on, Liz. Wow, only one. Oh, 3 birds. I was going to say only one. Oh, almost. Oh, thank you, Lizzie. Getting to the regs down there. Thank you, Lizzie. Chewy, chewy, munch, munch. Of the Birbs bunch, punch. Hey. Hey. Enough. Enough. Thank you, Lizzie. Stop harassing Lizzie up there. Yes. Yes, Birbs. Maxi flap. Patented. Maxi flap patented Birbs system. Yeah, you're looking for some, yeah? Oh, thank you, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Thank you, kissy, kissy, Liz. Hey? Lizzie, Liz. Kiss, 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 kiss. Thank you. What your other Birbs doing? Hey, Lizzie, you left a bit of seed in my ear. Some for later on. What's that look about? You coming back? There we are. Whoop. Oh, we got the Shabovsky. Here we got Lizzie. Liz still there. Hey, come on, get the bacon. Get the bacon. Yum yum birdums. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you, Lizzie. Madam busy, also busy. Yes, you are. You're so clean compared to 12 months ago. Hey, no push the Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. I get a kiss, kiss. Who's not in their nanas? Nana Birb not here. The rain's starting to, or drizzle. Thank you, Lizzie. Can you get that seed out of my ear? Hey, what are you getting that seed out of my ear? Yeah, Lizzie. wraparound burbulation. And yes, Lizzie. Thank you, Biz. Yesums. Oh, hello. Wasn't it? Yeah. Oh, Lizzie. What's going on, Lizzie? Come on. Come on, Lizzie. Come on, Lizzie. Thank you, kissy kiss. Right. You get your foot off. Come on, come on. Come on. There we go. Lizzie. Hello. Hello. Lizzie, what's going on, Lizzie? Oh, grabbies. Come on, Liz. Come on, Lizzie. Come on, Lizzie. Come on, Lizzie. There you go. There you go. The rigging Birbs. Good. Masticulation. Hey. Birbies. Oh, there's the birdie. Oh, hop goes the birdie. Whoa, flappy flaps. Flap, flap. Hey. No. You behave. You behave. Yeah, you too, yeah. Yes, I'm looking at you. I am. Yeah. You just get your beak in there, alright? Hey? You just line up. Thank you, Lizzie. You good Birbs. No, you're not tell Lizzie where to go. Hey, oh, what's going on over here? Hey? Come on, Lizzie. Oh, I see it's getting levels going down, so we're getting a bit more anxious. More. So we get. Oh, you got Pekowskis. Lizzie. I get that seed out of my ear. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Oh, thank you, Lizzie. What you doing, little one? Oi, oh. What are you going to flap about, literally? Literally and metaphysically. Yeah. Tro's getting a bit bare. Yes, Birb. Lizzie. Thank you. Right, excuse me, Birb. Hey, hang on. Putting a bit of seed out there. Thank you, Lizzie. Yeah, come on. In you get. Thank you, Lizzie. What you doing? There you go. I think the bucket just disappeared down the hill. Ah, yes. Bob, the finest, yes. Thank you, Lizzie. Oh, no, eat the phone. You eat the seed. Oh, yes. Oh, hello, it's a foot birb. It's a foot birb. Not footsie, but foot birb. Hey. Excuse me. Who's that? Hello. Oh, it's a handy bird. Yes, handy birds. Yes, pecky birds. Oh, thank you. You're chewing on my ear, foot bird. Oh. Well, Lizzie, don't you go. You're a priority. You're the queen bee, other than, well, Madam Chook. You Princess Lizzie. Hello. Footbird. 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 Come on. Come on, Footbird. I'm trying, Footy. I'm trying, Foot. There we go. Come on. Oh, too many beaks. Too many beaks. Oh. Line up. Line up. Buried in beaks. Footbird will be unimpressed. Come on, get in there, Footbird. Well, takeaway today, eh? Yeah? Oh, handy Birb. Ow. Oh, felt that landing. Heavy Birb. Not so much handy Birb. Wow. You feel more like a blob of a bucket. You weigh a lot. Oh, you really got to hold on there. Oh, so difficult. Oh, thank you, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Excuse me. Thank you, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie, Liz. Hey. Hey. No pecking of me. Thank you, Handy Birds. Hello, Lizzie. Hello. Come on, Liz. Come on, Lizzie. Lizzie, why did you grab my ear again? You know, not too many grabbies hurt. Yeah, we give kisses. We're down into the dregs now because we got the bucket. The bucket's been launched down the hill on that one. That bucket's the good stuff's been overflowed. Overfloweth with goodness. There's turkey moisters everywhere. Little buggers are going after the twos. Containers going everywhere. Birbs. Hey, just being a happy bunch of munchkins at the moment. I don't know. The tilt on everything down here, spillage. You're going to get double bobs. You're going to get buried in there. Double bob down. Little ones. Oh yeah. Try and rescue a little bit of seed. See, we're down to the dregs. I think we're going to call it. Miss Lizzie, what do you reckon? Thank you, Lizzie. Hey, don't push the Lizzie. No. There it goes. Down to the dregs. Alright, Birbs. Not the best view of you two, but hello. Hello, beautifuls. Hey. Alright, birbies. Oh, there goes the container, the tray. It's just like a bit of seed. Oh, hello. Yes, squeakies. Yes, squeakies. Hello. Oh, is that a fluffy? Is that a fluffy? No, it's not. It's a pretender fluff. Lizzie, what's going on? Hey, no pecking for me. Hello. Kisses. Kisses from the Liz. There we go. Let me get. Yes, Lizzie. Hey, Lizzie. Hello. No, you're coming in as well. Oh, I lost it. Is that, who's that with? Where'd you go, Liz? Lost the Liz. Lost the Liz. Who's that? Swapperbird. Swapperbird. Oh, I'll grab on. Grab on, ski. Hey? Oh, no, fluff wrapper. And definitely a wraparound Birbs here. Hey? Hmm? Hang on. And a wraparound. Yeah? There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yums. Here we go. Okay. Methinks I will sign off. The time has come. The human said we're all bad Birbs. Yes, you. And you. And you. Yes, you too. To go to Birdie Birbs. Oh, thank you. Good night, Birbies.